Well, Sheffield Business School, I always wanted to do MBA from UK university, because the place where I was working, I was not able to grow further because there was a hindrance of not having a postgraduate degree. So I was searching for different universities in UK, and I came across Sheffield Hallam University. The reason why I selected this university was because the city is full of students, and basically the contents of the MBA course was the things which I was searching for. So that's the reason why I selected SBS. The course was really well designed. Initially, when we came here, we were taken to Buxton, where it was a residential tour where we were going through each and every activity day by day. It was a 3-day tour wherein we studied a lot, and it was a brainstorming session. We were literally exhausted after the third day, but from a learning perspective, it was really nice. Apart from that, the modules which were taught by the professors, they were also really they had the experience and qualification to teach in a manner wherein the experienced students are studying. So it gives a lot of insight. So I literally liked it. The course was beautifully designed. As I said, I wanted to gain some practical experience and experience of working in a UK environment. I wanted to work in a global environment because the field which I am going to go into, that's e-waste recycling, I knew I had to converse with Western or developed countries to gain some technical experience. So I thought this would be the better chance to go and do it. At university, I was taught how to do research in different fields. So that was the base which I took when I started working for it. But doing it in a practical scenario was a bit difficult and different as well. The things that I learned over there was doing research for different products in different countries. That's what my basic role was over there. And I did a market research for developing a product of clay pipes in Spain and Germany as well. So basically, I would say the market research, conducting a market research for different products in different countries, is the thing which I learned. As far as the value of the internship is concerned, it will be very useful to me because I was having interaction with UK people, so it gives me a global exposure, and I get to know the culture, the way they do business or they deal in business. So it will be useful for me when I start my own venture after I graduate from Sheffield Hallam University, because I will be interacting with most of the developed countries in future. So this gives me a base to understand what the culture is about the Western countries. If I just go back a little bit in a time machine, and if I remember the day when I was applying for an internship, my advice to the students would be to apply for a job if they literally want to do it, not just for the sake of getting some earnings from it, because as a student you feel that you want to earn something as of right now, but this internship is basically to gain some experience rather than gaining some money. The experience which we gain from this, it will be very useful in the future, which will be ultimately contributing to the earning proposition. So my advice would be to the students would be to apply for internship to gain some experience rather than gaining some money from it. I would just like to add that Sheffield Hallam University, the studies that I have gained and the practical exposure which I have gained during this stay of 1.5 years has been very useful to me, and it has transformed me from a person to a person which can start his own business.